Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to make cold coffee at home. You need 1 cup of coarsely ground coffee and 4 cups cold or room temperature water. Firstly, grind the coffee beans on the coarse settings of your grinder. The texture should resemble coarse cornmeal, not fine powder. You should end up with just 1 cup of grounds. Place the grounds in your jar or pitcher. Then pour 4 cups of water over the coffee. Stir gently with a spoon or to ensure all grounds are soaked. Now cover the jar with a lid, plate or plastic wrap and let it steep for 12 to 18 hours. You can steep it on the counter or on the refrigerator. Now line a mesh strainer with cheesecloth or flour sack cloth. Place over a large bowl or measuring cup, then slowly pour the steeped coffee through the filter. Now transfer the strained cold brew to a clean bottle or jar, then refrigerate it up for 1 week. Dilute a cold brew with water or milk for your taste, then serve over ice or warm it in the microwave if preferred. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.